Leg cramps, those sharp, sudden spasms that often strike in the middle of the night, can become more frequent and intense as we age. They're not just annoying, they can be painful, disrupt your sleep for hours, and even increase your risk of falls. If they catch you off guard, you've probably tried stretching before bed, staying hydrated, wearing compression socks, maybe even taking a warm bath. And while these things can help, your diet might be the missing link you haven't addressed yet. Today we're diving into 5 surprising foods that help stop leg cramps after 60, plus a powerful bonus tip at the end that might be the missing piece, especially if you've already tried everything else and nothing seems to work consistently. Each of these foods supports muscle strength, improves circulation, balances key electrolytes, and helps your legs recover faster. We'll break down why they work scientifically, how to incorporate them into your daily routine, and what other unique health benefits they offer. Don't forget to grab our free printable daily checklist for cramp prevention and learn how to join our private senior health community where people just like you are taking real steps toward better health and stronger legs together. All the links are in the description below. Food number 1, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an absolute powerhouse for muscle health. They're loaded with 3 of the main electrolytes your muscles need to contract and relax properly: potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Here's what you need to understand about leg cramps. They're often not just about dehydration. Electrolyte imbalances are actually one of the most common causes of muscle spasms, especially in older adults. As we age, our kidneys become less efficient at maintaining proper electrolyte balance, and many medications can further deplete these crucial minerals. Your muscles are constantly contracting and relaxing throughout the day, even when you're not moving. This process requires a precise balance of electrolytes. When that balance is disrupted, muscle can get stuck in a contracted state, causing those painful spasms we call cramps. Sweet potatoes provide a natural, food-based way to restore that balance without relying on processed electrolyte drinks that are often loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients. But sweet potatoes offer so much more than just cramp prevention. They're high in fiber, which supports digestive health and helps maintain steady blood sugar levels. They also contain beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function, vision health, and skin health. Try roasting them with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of cinnamon. You can mash them as a side dish, slice them into wedges, and bake them, or add cubed sweet potato to soups and stews. Aim to include sweet potatoes in your meals. 2-3 times a week, 1 medium sweet potato provides about 540 milligrams potassium. That's actually more than a banana. Food number 2, coconut water. Coconut water is essentially nature's perfectly balanced electrolyte drink. While regular water is important for basic hydration, coconut water takes it several steps further by providing the specific electrolytes that your muscles actually need to function properly. Coconut water is packed with potassium, even more than a banana, and also offers meaningful amounts of magnesium and natural sodium. This combination makes it ideal for restoring hydration and electrolyte balance. Many seniors don't realize they're chronically underhydrated. As we age, our thirst sensation decreases significantly, so we don't feel thirsty even when our bodies desperately need fluids. Plus, many older adults consciously limit their fluid intake because they're worried about frequent trips to the bathroom. Chronic dehydration is a major contributor to muscle cramps because when you're even mildly dehydrated, your blood volume decreases. This means less oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, making them more prone to cramping. Coconut water hydrates more effectively than plain water because the electrolytes help your body actually use the fluid rather than just passing it through your kidneys. Beyond cramp prevention, coconut water supports kidney function and may help reduce blood pressure. It's also much easier on the stomach than many commercial electrolyte drinks. To incorporate coconut water into your routine, drink it chilled between meals or after any physical activity. Choose unsweetened, 100% coconut water, not blends with added sugars or artificial flavors. 1 cup a day is usually enough to support hydration and provide meaningful electrolyte benefits. Try freezing coconut water into ice cubes and adding them to smoothies or herbal teas for gradual hydrating boosts throughout the day. Food number 3, bananas. Bananas are one of the most potassium-rich foods readily available in any grocery store. 1 medium banana contains about 420 milligrams of potassium, and potassium is absolutely essential for proper muscle function and nerve signaling. Potassium works closely with sodium to control fluid balance both inside and outside your cells. This balance is crucial because your muscles need specific conditions to contract and relax normally. When this delicate balance is disrupted, your muscles simply can't function properly, leading to spasms, cramps, and weakness. As we age, our kidneys become less efficient at balancing electrolytes. Many older adults fall significantly short on potassium without realizing it. The recommended daily intake is about 3,500 4,700 milligrams, but studies show that most Americans get less than half of that amount. Bananas also contain meaningful amounts of magnesium, which works alongside potassium to support muscle relaxation, helps prevent those painful nighttime spasms that can wake you from deep sleep. Besides cramp relief, bananas provide significant cardiovascular benefits by helping control blood pressure. The potassium helps counteract the effects of too much sodium in the typical diet. Bananas also contain resistant starch, especially when they're slightly green. This acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and supporting both digestion and immunity. There are many delicious ways to enjoy bananas. Eat one as a quick snack, slice it over morning oatmeal or yogurt, or blend it into a smoothie. You can also mash ripe bananas and use them as a natural sweetener in baking. For those dealing with blood sugar concerns, pair a banana with protein like natural peanut butter or Greek yogurt. The protein helps slow the absorption of the banana's natural sugars. 1 banana a day is plenty if you're also getting potassium from other sources like sweet potatoes and coconut water. Food number 4, eggs. Eggs might surprise you as a cramp-fighting food, but they're actually crucial for muscle health in ways that go far beyond basic nutrition. Eggs are what nutritionists call a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs in the right proportions. This matters tremendously for leg cramps because strong, healthy muscles need these amino acids to rebuild themselves constantly. When seniors don't get enough high-quality protein, their muscles weaken progressively over time, leading to more frequent cramps and reduced stability. As we age, our bodies face a condition called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. After age 30, we naturally lose about 3-8% of our muscle mass per decade, and this loss accelerates significantly after 60. Eggs provide highly bioavailable protein, meaning your body absorbs and uses their amino acids very efficiently, more efficiently than many plant proteins or even some other animal proteins. But eggs offer much more than just high-quality protein. They're one of the few foods that naturally contain meaningful amounts of vitamin D, which plays a critical role in muscle function and calcium absorption. Many seniors are significantly deficient in vitamin D. Eggs are also rich in choline, a nutrient that's essential for brain and nerve health. Choline supports the neuromuscular system, your brain, and nerves' ability to communicate effectively with your muscles. The versatility of eggs makes them incredibly easy to include in your diet regularly. You can hard-boil them for quick snacks, scramble them with vegetables, poach them over greens, or bake them into frittatas. Try to eat 1-2 eggs several days a week, and don't be afraid of the yolk. That's where most of the beneficial nutrients are concentrated. For those who struggle with nighttime leg cramps, try including an egg in your evening meal. The high-quality protein can support overnight muscle repair and recovery. Food number 5, nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are among the absolute best sources of magnesium you can find in whole foods. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals for muscle relaxation and low magnesium levels are one of the leading causes of chronic muscle cramps in seniors. Pumpkin seeds are particularly rich in magnesium. Just 1 ounce provides about 150 milligrams, which is nearly 40% of the daily recommended amount. Almonds, sunflower seeds, walnuts, and cashews are also excellent choices. Magnesium acts as a natural calcium blocker in your muscle cells, while calcium helps muscles contract. Magnesium helps them relax and return to their resting state. When you don't have adequate magnesium levels, your muscles can get stuck in a contracted state. Many factors common in older adults can deplete magnesium levels. Certain medications like diuretics, proton pump inhibitors, and some antibiotics can reduce magnesium absorption. Chronic stress also depletes magnesium, and normal aging processes affect magnesium status. Beyond muscle relaxation, nuts and seeds provide healthy fats that support joint health by reducing inflammation. Support brain function. They also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D. To incorporate more nuts and seeds effectively, try snacking on a small handful of raw or lightly roasted varieties. You can sprinkle them into salads, stir them into oatmeal or yogurt, or blend them into smoothies. Avoid heavily salted or sugared versions. About 1 ounce or a small handful is ideal. While nutritious, they're calorie dense. Here's a preparation tip. Try soaking pumpkin seeds and nuts overnight in water, then draining and lightly roasting them. This reduces compounds that can interfere with mineral absorption. Bonus tip, magnesium supplementation. If you're eating these muscle-supporting foods regularly, but still experiencing frequent cramps, your body might need more magnesium than you can realistically get from food alone, or you might have absorption issues. A high-quality magnesium supplement, such as magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate, might help reduce cramping frequency and intensity while improving sleep quality and supporting overall muscle recovery. Magnesium glycinate is often considered the best form because it's highly absorbable and less likely to cause digestive upset. However, it's absolutely important to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement. The truth is, leg cramps aren't just a normal, unavoidable part of aging that you have to accept. With targeted changes to your diet and daily routine, you can significantly reduce their frequency and intensity while supporting your overall muscle health. These 5 foods, sweet potatoes, coconut water, bananas, eggs, and nuts and seeds, offer real, science-backed benefits that go far beyond just preventing cramps. They support your cardiovascular system, boost immune function, improve energy levels, and help maintain the muscle strength and balance you need to stay active, independent. Start by adding 1 or 2 of these foods to your routine this week. Focus on consistency rather than perfection. Stay properly hydrated throughout the day, and don't hesitate to discuss supplement options with your healthcare provider. If dietary changes alone aren't enough, your muscles have served you well for decades. Now it's time to give them the targeted nutrition they need to keep serving you well for years to come.